teacher as well as your listener. I love to see.
If you ask me. If you ask me.
If you ask me if I am tired of being a teacher, I can say that I am not. Perhaps it is tiring at some point, but if you love teaching and helping others, you will not mind all of your wearies. And Lord, for you love what you do. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for helping me build my dreams. Thank you, teacher, for teaching us. Thank you.